And hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to show FPS in any Steam game. So go to your Steam launcher and go to Steam, settings. You will see here like this. Go to in-game, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Overlay shortcut keys, you can set it on Shift plus Tab on or anything, but when you open that you can adjust this just as I did here. It's easier. And in-game FPS counter, it will be set on off. You can set it on top left, top right, bottom left. I will set it to top left. And when you're done, you can also just screenshot the shortcut keys, display a notification, play a sound and everything. Just click OK. I will just sign in and go to any game. For example, I will go to Payday 2 and you see at the top left I have my FPS counter. So yeah, that is it, how you can do that and show FPS in any Steam game. And yeah guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next one. Like, share, subscribe.